everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay. And what's Holly drinking today? Well, what we're gonna drink today is something very refreshing and kind of spa-like, so you can feel very good about yourself from drinking it. We're gonna call it an Aloe Mint Gimlet. So we're gonna start with a little fresh mint, hence the name, and a little bit of our homemade simple syrup. We'll give it a little muddle. And then, let's go ahead and add a little fresh lemon juice. Then, this is something interesting. It's called Chareau, and it's an aloe liqueur. We discovered it at an event down here in San Diego. And I believe it's a Camarillo, actually, and it's really interesting. It, like I said, it kind of makes you feel good from the inside out because it's aloe, so it heals you from inside, I suppose. So, we'll give it a little shot of this. It's a little bit sweet. So kind of a little goes a long way. And then we're gonna add it with some aviation gin, of course, our favorite aviation gin, because we all love Ryan Reynolds. So we'll give that a shot. Pour that guy in, maybe a splash more. I'm gonna give it a shake. Make sure your lid's on nice and tight. Get nice and cold. And then I'm going to serve it on crushed ice. Crushed ice is kind of like my new favorite thing in the whole wide world. So let's do that. I've already got some on my pretty glass. And a little strainer out. Looks very refreshing to me. Very healthy. Let's garnish it with a little bit of mint. And doesn't that look kind of like that water you drink in the spa? It's going to taste a lot better than that. Let's give it a go. Oh, that is refreshing. Oh my goodness. Give it a go. It's easy breezy.